Samsung is taking the smartphone wars to Apple's turf when it launches its latest Galaxy in New York on Thursday. According to the blogs, it could display some revolutionary features like the ability to track the user's eye movements to scroll down web pages. The $210 billion South Korean company is eager to regain its dominance in the lucrative U.S. market after being edged out by Apple last year. Still, Samsung is top dog worldwide. Strategy Analytics says it is set to sell 290 million smartphones in 2013 versus Apple's 180 million. Apple shares are down almost 40% since its mid-September highs. Your big economic stat to focus on is retail sales on Wednesday. Our experts at IFR say if you strip away gas, cars, and building materials, sales should rise by a tepid 0.2% in February. That's about half the strength of last year's average. To blame, higher tax rates. Your danger digit is a drop of 0.1%. That would mean optimistic numbers like Friday's surprisingly strong jobs report are getting ahead of themselves. And markets will get to hear from corporate high flyers about the economy on Wednesday. That's when the Business Roundtable releases its latest survey of CEO confidence. It includes industry leaders like GM's Dan Akerson and Boeing boss James McNerney. In the last quarter, the group's confidence fell on fiscal cliff worries, but corporate profit was seen picking up this year. We'll get an update on how badly sequestration could hit the defense industry when Pentagon officials speak to investors on Tuesday. Fitch says unless the cuts are avoided, Department of Defense spending will likely tumble by about $1 trillion over the next 10 years. That could reduce the credit ratings for some companies, especially if they are not diversified enough. Follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and get more of our great videos at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. Friday, we'll talk to some of the best stock pickers in the world following the Lipper Fund Awards. The big question, after those record highs on the Dow, what's next for the markets? I'm Hoda Imam. This is Reuters.